Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the New Balance 610. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown out our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank the subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the New Balance 610, and we got this in the raw cashew color. We got this in the UK size 7.5. It's a UK 41.5 and it's a US 8. So just before we get unboxing, this is the GORE-TEX version of the 610. And look at the box, it's just like a normal New Balance box. And let's get unboxing. So we got this bad boy in the raw cashew colorway. It's very dope in my opinion. Very good trail running sneaker. So this is meant for your runs in the woods and to combat slippery surfaces. And we're going to go into all the details for you right now. So we'll start with the outsole, and with the outsole you can see a lugged rubber outsole. You can see the tread right there for you. Heavily lugged, great for traction, and you got the New Balance logo that's in the middle. The midsole unit, so this is New Balance's C-cap cushioning. So it's found on the midsole, which is essentially a foam material. It's there for your stability, and it partners up with this absorb technology that New Balance are very, very famous for, which you can find a lot of their absorb in their best sneakers, in my opinion. The 990 and the 99X series, for example. But the 610, so you look at the upper, this looks like a genuine trail running sneaker. It's really dope. I'm a big fan of the 610 actually. That's because of the rapper Amine. I like his collab, the Moose, I believe it was called, the brown and yellow. So this is essentially the same sneaker, but it's not the Amine collab, which I really want. This is a nice clean colorway in the raw cashew, more off-white uppers in regards to the color. But looking at the upper is made out of a mixture of synthetic materials and the mesh. So you can see all the paneling with the geometric shapes that surround the sneaker is all synthetic materials. It isn't the best color in my opinion if you're using this to run on like the mud and any trail runs, because it's going to get dirty really easy. But you've got all that GORE-TEX technology that's inside, that's essentially protecting, making your feet stay dry, and well, it's GORE-TEX, so they're waterproof as well. So looking at the upper, again, you can see all around, you can see the mesh, especially at the toe box area, and the main body of the sneaker as well. It's meant to make your feet breathe. And if you look at the lateral side, you've got a New Balance N, and it's the same is on the medial side. At the back, you got more of that synthetic paneling with the pull tab. And if you look at the tongue, it's very nicely cushioned. You got your proper GORE-TEX-esque, not GORE-TEX, it's GORE. It's like very much like the Salomon lacing, where you have this fastener and a loop, so you can just tuck your laces underneath and pull it. And you've got a pull tab at the tongue also. Insole, you've got foam insole with the GORE-TEX New Balance Trail. So obviously, as I've mentioned many a time, this is a trail running sneaker. And you've got the 610 on the tongue also. So that rounds off my review. I'm really excited to try these on, mostly because I do want to try the 610 on. Well, I want the Amine pair. I know a pair on eBay, but if any of our watchers have a pair in a size 7.5, let me know in the comment section below. Strike up a deal. But something I do want to mention is that there's a 610 logo also on the lateral side, just by the heel. I forgot to mention. So roll that footage of me trying these 610s for you now. comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size New Balance fit. I'm UK size 7.5. These fit perfectly. They look really cool on. They're sturdy, so I know that I'm not going to slip when I'm running through the rain. And yeah, they look really good on. But if anyone has the Oneupreviewz colorway, the 7.5, let me know and we'll settle with the deal for you. For those wondering what trousers I'm wearing a pair of Uniqlo cargo joggers. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on TikTok and on Instagram. Till next time, peace.